launches iOS 18.1 and iPadOS 18.1 with Apple Intelligence features. Apple launched the highly anticipated iOS 18.1 and iPadOS 18.1 along with Apple Intelligence on Monday in the iMac Announcement Event 2024. This update marks a paradigm shift, revolutionizing your everyday tasks across your iPhones, from smart photo editing to more enhanced writing tools. After several months of beta testing, the stable launch is introduced with a comprehensive suite of Apple Intelligence features to all public. This significant update includes writing assistance, photo editing, email management, and more. These features work directly on your phone, letting users edit photos, create text suggestions, and more through its own iOS interface. Let's dive into the details of what's new in iOS 18.1 and how users can start with these features. Apple Intelligence is available in flagship models, including all the iPhone 16 models, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Writing tools. The newly introduced Writing Agent will assist in all the text-enabled apps that enhance accuracy, ensuring your content is polished from grammar and spelling checks and text summary abilities. This significant feature efficiently functions in email apps, software, document editors, and streamlines your drafting and writing procedure to level up your communication to the next level. Photos app. The long-awaited Photos app update includes 3 top-notch functions, including Memory Movie for prompt-based slideshow creation, natural language search capabilities, and cleanup for object and person removal. It will allow users to browse their photo library while utilizing descriptive phrases to search particular images. Transcript summaries. The latest summarization tool will let you effortlessly create concise summaries of audio recordings from Notes app content and audio calls, allowing all the users to review the main points from extended recordings. Siri improvements. Siri has received initial updates in iOS 18.1, along with a full variant 2.0 setup for iOS 18.4. However, the current enhancements entirely focus on the device troubleshooting capabilities, improved contextual responses, and more. Mail updates. The Cupertino-based tech giant has also brought the Mail app update that rolls out automatic email summarization, instant response options, essential emails receive suggested actions, and more.